So I was asked, how hard is it to get it back into the bag and to set it up and everything? So I thought I'd do a really quick video again showing the quick setup and the quick breakdown. Now once you get your tent out of your bag, all you have to do is stretch it out. And then all you're gonna have to do is fold these legs out. All you're gonna have to do is pull each leg and extend it. Now besides putting the stakes in and putting the top on, we're pretty much done. Now depending on how fast you go, or if you have a second person helping you, this could take you 1 minute or it could take you 3 minutes to put together. But as you can see, it's one of the easiest and quickest that you can raise. All right, now let's go ahead and put it away. Now putting it away is definitely gonna take me the most time just because I suck at putting them in the bags, but let me show you. All right, so the collapsing is just gonna be the opposite. All we gotta do is press the little buttons and we're just gonna collapse it down. And then we're just going to bend everything back towards the center. And because last time I forgot to put this inside, I'm gonna go ahead and just lay it in here and get it folded in together. Let's go ahead and fold it up again in half. Then we're gonna go ahead and fold it again. We're gonna kind of fold these bars together. And then all we gotta do is just get everything back into the bag. I think I actually folded something up wrong here somewhere, but we'll get it in there. Now, like I mentioned, I usually suck at getting these tents back into the bags. And I didn't fold it in quite right either, but we're getting it. Want to make sure this stuff gets put back in. Now, some of you will get it back into the bag a lot easier than I did. Like I mentioned, I'm not very good at this stuff. I have tents and third-party bags and boxes because I couldn't get it back in. This is the FanttikOutdoor tent, and I would definitely recommend it for anybody that wants something really easy.